Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today I want to talk about how to get recognized on YouTube or how to get found on YouTube. And I recently got to work with Robert Michael Fried, the amazing author of the book Igniting Your True Purpose and Passion. And you could find his videos on thirdwind.com YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/thirdwindworld. And he did a great job of also linking his YouTube videos or his YouTube channel to his website, which is thirdwind.com. And you scroll down here and there's a YouTube link that leads you directly into the YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/thirdwindworld, where you can simply have people subscribe to that YouTube channel. If you look at the titles that he's used on every single video, he has his name on there, Robert Michael Fried. And so including that name, like I said earlier, into the title can really help you get found, so that if people forget that, they can simply go into youtube.com and search for Robert Michael Fried, hit search, and there are all his videos with his name in the title on YouTube. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.